We like food.
Welcome to Free to Cook. In this episode, we're going to be cooking the crispiest roast potatoes to go with any roast dinner. This recipe uses a technique made popular by Lopez-Alt. By using an extra ingredient, it helps get the crispiest potatoes you've ever had. Firstly, light a chimney of charcoal. Start by peeling your potatoes. Keep the skins because they make a tasty snack in the air fryer. Check out the recipe on the channel. Next, cut the potatoes into quarters or eighths depending on the size. To add some extra flavour to potatoes, peel and finely dice 3 cloves of garlic. Then finely dice some parsley. Finally slice some chives. Add to a small bowl and mix together. Next, fill a pot half full of water before seasoning with salt. Now for the game-changing ingredient, 1 teaspoon of bicarb soda. The alkaline water breaks down the surfaces of the potato, creating tons of starchy, soft area, which when roasted creates lots of crunch. Something I like to add to the water for extra flavour is a little bit of chicken stock. I buy this chicken stock from our local Chinese supermarket and it packs a whole lot of flavour. Mix it all together in the water before adding the potatoes. Bring to the boil and parboil the potatoes until they're just fork tender. Next, drain the potatoes and add to a mixing bowl. Add the garlic, parsley and chives along with a splash of olive oil. Mix the potatoes through to make sure they're fully coated. Then add the potatoes to a baking tray and spread them out evenly. Next, add your charcoal to the Weber and place a number of unlit charcoal chunks on top. This is called the minion method. The barbecue should be sitting around 230 Celsius or 450 Fahrenheit. Place the potatoes opposite the charcoal and cover with a lid. After 20 minutes, the potatoes should be forming a nice crust. Look at all those golden, crispy edges. Toss the potatoes through the pan before placing back on the barbecue for another 30 to 40 minutes. When they're looking like this, they're ready to go. Listen to how crispy the outside of these potatoes are. Serve them in a bowl and top with some fresh chives, and there you have it, the crispiest roast potatoes ever. These are super crispy on the outside and tender and juicy on the inside. If you found this recipe helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like us on Facebook, share us on Instagram, and if you have any recipe suggestions, leave them in the comments.